sent this patio trash can and it's amazing. I'm going to show you the details of it, but I'm going to get a little farther back because I want you to see everything that goes with it. So the material in this is really nice. It's fade proof, it's waterproof, so if it were to fall in the pool, it wouldn't be an issue. Here, you can open the lid with one hand very easily, and there's plenty of space inside. You can put a nice large trash bag in there if you're having a party and want to collect maybe some cans or bottles or just regular trash. You also could use this not as a trash can. It could be a storage bin as well. Plenty of space. Now, as a trash can, another cool feature about it is down here. So this can open up and this can catch drips. So let me show you that tray up close. So there's a little drip tray right here. You can wipe that down. This whole thing is really easy to wipe down. And also the material this is all made of is recyclable. So it's eco-friendly as well. This is just a beautiful piece. I think it's going to look really good in your outdoor space and you're going to